Brand new COVID-19 numbers from the state showing another statewide uptick. Of the more than 33,000 tests in the past day, 802 of them came back positive. That is a positivity rate now, again today, of 2.4%. They don't like to see that. There have been 2 COVID-related deaths. Hospitalizations went down by 7 since yesterday. Now, starting this weekend, Windham is rolling back its reopening to phase 2, and schools will entirely go virtual. It's one of 11 towns Governor Lamont has identified as a virus hotspot. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino is joining us live right now from Hartford with more details on this. Mike, I'm guessing businesses are not real happy with this.
Yes, and Mark, it's not just the restaurants and bars that are directly impacted by the capacity limits in phase 2. It's also shops that say that they rely heavily on some of this traffic. But Windham's town manager says that this is the right decision because they have some unique challenges.
We have a combination, or I call it the trifecta here, of challenges.
Windham town manager James Rivers says his town faces a number of unique challenges with the coronavirus. So he's not surprised it's one of 11 hotspots in Connecticut, areas with at least 15 positive COVID-19 tests per 100,000 residents. Windham schools are going to remote learning for all students until October 30th. And Rivers says it was the right decision to roll back the town's reopening, something Governor Ned Lamont is allowing hotspots to do. Starting at 5 p.m. Saturday, Windham will be back in phase 2 with lower limits on indoor seating at restaurants.
We did not ask for this particular order, but as soon as we were made aware of it, we were fully interested.
Danbury and Hartford are also on the list, as are clusters of towns centered around Norwich and New London. Mayors in Hartford, Danbury, and New London have all said that they're not pausing the reopenings in their cities. They note rises are tied to small gatherings, not businesses. Hartford Mayor Luke Bronin wants a regional approach.
We're a 17 square mile city. You can drive to any other community in a couple of minutes.
Nicholas Jacobowski manages Smoke Zone in Windham. He says the store gets a lot of business thanks to restaurants.
Especially on Friday and Saturday nights, people coming out of the bar, looking for something to do before their ride gets there.
Windham must see 2 14-day periods with less than 15 positive tests per 100,000 people. The schools, meanwhile, will reevaluate their plans on October 29th. Rivers says Windham has to deal with off-campus housing for Eastern Connecticut State University and UConn, crowded homes with multiple generations, and people in rural parts of town not following CDC guidelines. Jacobowski says a number of his customers don't wear masks.
It just kind of sucks because it's kind of messing stuff up for everybody else.
Now, the Department of Public Health today did release a new tool to help towns try to contain the coronavirus. This tool identifies hotspots and towns on the verge of potentially becoming hotspots. It also gives them guidance on how to handle those situations. Live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.